by the time they tell you your shipping rates or your shipping amount, you'll be like, how come, how, when you start choosing those products from the e-commerce website, they are very, very beautiful. The pictures are very, very beautiful. So you need to be very, very careful. And sometimes maybe because you don't have enough money and you still want to start shipping. So it's okay. You need to know the price, and there are products that are way higher that cost you a lot of money. So if you are looking for profitable products, you need to avoid those higher ones and start looking for the ones that you can as well afford to ship. You can use as much as 50,000 naira to ship something. You can use as 100,000 naira to ship your goods and sell them and make way higher profit, guys. What's up, guys? Hi YouTube, hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebys Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel. If you are into mini importation business and you are a newbie, or you don't know what to start shipping, or you are looking at the range of the cost, this video I am going to be showing you 8 profitable products that has low shipping costs that you can start shipping right now and make lots and lots of profits. And that a product has low shipping costs doesn't mean that the product is cheap. And sometimes the shipping costs might even surpass the price of the products. So join me, guys, let's dive into this video. Number 1 is fitness and health products. Fitness and health product is one of the products that you can ship at a low shipping cost, because right now people are investing into their health. People are taking charge of their health by themselves, ranging from the belts, their mats, skipping rope, and other things. And even their supplements. People are not right now doing all that. These are products that you can ship and even sell them, and it will give you a maximum profit. Number 2 is hair and wigs. Hair and wigs, ranging from no matter the size, no matter the quality, no matter anything, but you need to start shipping affordable products. Even the wool, they have low shipping costs. You can buy a wig worth 1 million naira and you are shipping it not even up to 1 kg. The shipping rate or cost is very, very low. So this is one of the products that you can ship and is also profitable to give you more profit as well. Then the next one is children's wears, children's kids products. Kids products ranging from their shoes, from their clothes, and their toys, apart from their luxury cars. It's one of the products that you can also start shipping, and it has profitable margin, profit good margin. No matter how much you are buying them. And in case you don't have much money, you're looking for products that you don't have much money, you want to now start buying children's clothes. Children's clothes from January to December, the parents are always buying them because they need to change children's clothes every time and always. Even newborns are also coming up. So if you want to invest or start shipping children's clothes, it is also very, very good. The number 4 is wrist watches. From analog watch, digital watch, smartwatch. It is one of the products that has low shipping costs. You can even ship wrist watches like 5 pieces for 1.5 kg. Talk about 10 pieces. You can even ship 10 pieces for like 2 point something kg, depending on the weight of the watch. Shipping rates or shipping costs comes from the weight. So if you don't have enough money, you're looking for products that you can start shipping, because you must not have that kind of too much money to start shipping. So you can use as low as like 50,000 naira and you start shipping your products. Then the next one is female clothing. Female clothes ranging from their slippers, from their clothes, from their purses, apart from handbags that have high shipping costs depending on the size of the handbag. Female clothing is one of the products that you can start shipping, and is also profitable. You can also make maximum profits selling female clothes. Women always like to buy clothes from January to December. They always buying, even for parties, for events. So if you are looking for business or products that you can ship at lower cost, female clothes is one of those products. Then the next one is mobile gadgets, ranging from power banks, earpiece, phone holders, and other things. Mobile gadgets is one of the products that are selling. Even, they don't have that kind of weight. They have low shipping costs. In case you are looking for products that you can ship, that you can ship from, wherever you're shipping them, mobile gadgets is one of that products that you can ship and also make maximum profits. Also make maximum profit. The next one is kitchen accessories. Apart from blenders, microwave, kitchen accessories is one of the products that you can ship and it will save you money. It has low shipping costs because some of them, like the hand blenders and all the hand equipments that you use doing your kitchen, and people are stocking their their kitchen with equipment. So kitchen accessories are one of the things that you can always buy and store in your place. Then the next one is sunglasses. From fashion sunglasses to ordinary sunglasses or any other one, sunglasses, they don't have weight. They weigh lesser and they have low shipping costs. It will not take you any much money to start shipping sunglasses. Then the next one is jewelry and accessories. This is one of my best products that you can ship at low shipping costs because some jewelries even weigh only gram. They are not even up to 1 kg. What am I talking? 1 something kg, and you also make quite lots of money. What you need to do is start shipping affordable and luxury products. Don't go and buy low quality products, because a product that you are buying expensive, it will still be the same amount when you are shipping them. One thing that you should always have at the back of your mind is that even if you buy a cheap product or you buy expensive products, you are still going to ship them at the same rates. So is it not better for you to buy an affordable, very good quality products and ship them and make profit? Which one is better? So don't go and start packing all the cheap things and think that because they are cheap and you are going to ship them at a low cost. Shipping rates and shipping costs can make somebody go gaga. I am telling you the truth. So guys, this is where I'm going to stop this video. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. Subscribe.